if you hit accept?
You
Then
hit
what
accept,
happens?
then the light goes blue, and then you can talk to them.
So your voice comes out of it?
Your voice comes out of it. It's got a microphone and speaker,
Like
so
a
it's
speaker.
two-way audio, one-way video.
If someone came up and said, eyeball there, can they just take it off?
Because all burglars ring the doorbell first.
You know what, though, Mark? That's actually true. Burglars are not usually violent criminals. They want to see if someone's home. They want the opportunity to go into a house that does not have people in it. So it's actually true. People do ring the doorbell. It's very hard to remove. And we also have offered that any customer that has one stolen, we will replace it for free of charge.
And how much does each one of these units sell for?
$199.